we have got 25 seed packs. Alright, we got 25 seed packs, and let's try to get elfin ears. Like that. Let's go. Oh, it's right there! It was right there. It was right there. I saw it. I saw it. I saw that. So close. Once we got it, I'll skip into it. Okay, we got personal flower. That's pretty good. Nope. I don't want that. Rosie Delight was right there, bro. Come on, give me something good. Alright. That was good. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Come on, bro. Come on. Come on, bro. Come on. That's it. Tell me if you can see it. Yeah, I'm gonna just press skip. Pachakalaka. Hanakalaka. That was so bad. Oh, we don't have any more sheep packs. Let's get more. We got 29. Let's use them all. Shikabri, Shikabri. Do you see ears right there? Did you see in the corner? That's where it was. So close. So close. Okay, guys. Yeah, it's just taking forever. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, mythical. But I want a Rosie Delight too. This is Grow a Garden modded. But these aren't modded. I'm trying to get the elephant ears in the game. So, yeah, guys. We are trying to get the elephant ears. Let's go. Into back in my mind. Actually, do you see it? Do you see it? Yeah, I saw it. I saw.
Guys, I'm gonna be in this video. I'm gonna be recording my brother's account. I'm gonna be sharing it.
Okay, my sister is so. Okay, my sister is We got Rosie Delight. We got Rosie Delight.
I'm gonna say he's.
Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys.
I'm gonna say he's bullying people, and then I'm gonna say next, and I'm gonna say recording. And then
Okay.
my stupid brother recording.
Okay, guys, and let's see. Oh, I'll skip right into it when we get it. I wonder how much wild carrots we have. I can't see it. We have 5 stone bite.
There we go.
Okay, now let's
Guys,
see.
unsubscribe my brother because.
Oh no! Okay. Tell me when you see that. See it? Okay, my sister is saying. My sister's bullying me, so I'm gonna post this for you guys. Personal flower. Let's go. Should we like jump while we do it? Will we get some? Oh, I saw it. I saw it. It was like, yeah, it was so weird. Oh, Rosie Delight. Rosie Delight. Let's go. Let's go. We got Rosie Delight. Okay. Good. With a boom, 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 boom. With a boom, 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 boom. Okay, 5 minutes in here, the video. Okay. Okay, my sister is literally like trying to. I have 8 personal flowers. She's trying to report me. Wait, is it done? Okay, guys, I have 28 wild carrots, and so. What are these? What the freak? Wait. Plant, and plant. Okay, let's collect these tiny guys. Tiny little things. And wait, what was that? Did he just... What the heck was that? Okay, so my inventory. Wait, dang, bro, it's not that bad, not that bad. I think I just saw something that had a mutation on it, and then it didn't for a sec. Okay, our Rosie Delights aren't ready to grow. Let's put my personal flowers. Good. No, wait, I have like so much more. Yeah. Let's go. We didn't get elephant eels, but yeah. So this is day 1 of trying to get elephant ears.